why you should be aware of taking trading advice or even trading training from a 20-year-old guy. Well, the fact is, let's say you wanted to learn how to play golf, and there's a guy who played golf for 2 years. He's maybe 20 years old. And then there's another guy who's maybe 50 years and he played golf for, let's say, 20 years. Which guy do you want to seek the help from? Which guy would you select to train you when it comes to playing golf? It could also be basketball, it could be any kind of sports. And trading is no different from a sport because trading is a business, and it's a business that you have to learn the hard way. You have to learn it from the bottom. It takes a lot of experience to trade. It takes experience to be inside a trade and gain the knowledge of being inside the trade. One thing is to know technical analysis. Everybody can learn that fairly easy. But the experience, to accumulate experience in itself, comes from only one thing, that's doing a lot and a lot of trades. It's like Tiger Woods. He maybe has done the same stroke to the golf ball 100,000 times, and this is why he's so good at it. But basically, to hit the golf ball is to hit the golf ball. So I think in this case that the practice of having thousands and thousands and thousands of trades actually helps a trader to perfect what he's doing, and therefore also being able to teach that. But I highly question that if you're 21, 22, that you have enough experience being inside a trade, managing a trade, compared to a guy who could be like 40 or 50 years old. I'm not saying that's not impossible to learn something from you young people. Indeed, it is, especially new trends, new things. It is. But when it comes to this professional business of trading, you should be aware of what the experience level is and the knowledge level, and also be aware when we talk about trading that trading is much more than just trading a chart, trading some technical analysis. There's trading plans, there is um, uh, the whole trading psychology, the whole mindset thing. And again, I would say that if you have, let's say, like me, 16 years of experience in the market, I have gained, accumulated a lot of uh, trading psychology experience that it will be quite impossible for a 20-year-old guy to learn. For him, it's just impossible unless, of course, it was trading since he was 3 years old. So just keep this in mind, guys, when you seek help.